Hello friends, I am JNG. This is our channel JN Social. Today we are going to see very interesting topic. I am going to reveal the reason for the mysterious disease which has occurred at December 5 in 2020 at the Yelluru town in the Western Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Remember to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, you will get immediate notification. On the day of December 5, 2020, it is a mysterious day, particularly for the people, those who are residing at the town of Yelluru in the Western Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Because on this day only, the first cases of new illness has found. Within 2 weeks, the number of cases found with this similar illness has crossed more than 600. The cause for the disease was unable to trace out at the beginning, so the disease was a mysterious disease. 70% of people affected from Yelluru town from the total number of people affected by the similar illness. So the disease became a Yelluru mysterious disease. The symptoms they commonly expressed include convulsion, seizure, dizziness, nausea, loss of consciousness, then head pain, then many more symptoms included. If we look at the reason for these kind of symptoms, for instance, convulsion is a body condition where the body muscles contract rapidly and repeatedly uncontrolled manner. Then the reason for seizure, which occur because of the signals which are going to brain get affected. After 2 to 3 minutes of seizure followed by the unconsciousness occur. Then dizziness, which lead to faint, weak or unsteady body. Then the nausea, which lead to vomiting sensation. Then the head pain, headache also occur some cases. The illness has affected all sections of populations. The victims include children, men and women. Initially, people thought that it is a rare illness and also very severe illness. But luckily, the people, those who are infected with this illness, has treatment. After get proper treatment, within 1 to 2 hours, they have cured and also discharged. It was really a big challenge for the scientists to find the exact cause for the disease, because it includes the common symptoms as well as the rare symptoms. The common people were fear of that this may be a new variant of coronavirus. The Andhra Pradesh government has sent a request to Indian Institute of Medical Sciences at New Delhi, that is AIIMS New Delhi, as well as Indian Institute of Chemical Technology at Hyderabad, to invite the scientists to find the long-standing investigation to find the exact cause for this mysterious illness. The Yelluru district is located at the western side of Godavari districts, as well as the people residing at the Yelluru town used to get the drinking water through the canal from the Godavari as well as Krishna river. So the scientists initially thought that the contaminated drinking water only lead to these kind of diseases, because there are number of heavy metal industries located on the sideline of Godavari river. The untreated effluents, which include the heavy metals, might have mixed with Godavari water. Then these water might have come to these people for drinking purposes. So the heavy metal might have been the culprit for this illness. Later, it was suspected that bleaching powder or chlorine powder, which are used in the huge quantity to sanitize open spaces to control the coronavirus. So the leaching of bleaching powder during the rainy time might have mixed with the water and it might have contaminated the drinking water. AIIMS New Delhi found that the traces of heavy metals such as nickel and lead in the blood samples of 25 victims out of 45 victims who have affected by this illness, which was sent by the state government. After deep research, the scientists have decided that there are many number of farmlands located on the sideline of Godavari river, where the farmers used insecticides as well as pesticides more than record. So the excessive quantity of pesticides and insecticides leached into the water that contaminated the drinking water. That is the real culprit which caused this mysterious disease. So the cause for the mysterious illness emerged recently at the Andhra Pradesh is none other than the pesticides. There are 615 people affected by this mysterious illness, out of which 614 recovered and only 1 person died. Okay friends, what you thought would have been the reason for this mysterious disease at the beginning? Did you worry that it might be the new variant of coronavirus? Give your opinion in the comment section. Give your thumbs up by clicking the like button and share to your friends. Remember to subscribe our channel to watch similar videos in our channel JN Social. And also click the bell icon, then the moment I post the video, you will get immediate notification. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.